Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back to Winter Wonderland and Mystery Magic. It's a blizzard in here today. Whew, I'm cold. I wonder why it's so cold in here today. We'll have to think about that. Yesterday, we did a mystery magic where I gave you four clues and you guessed what I was describing with adjectives. Do you remember what the answer was? It was a Christmas tree. And we talked about how to write a topic sentence if you know a lot about Christmas trees. We talked about a four square, and you put the topic sentence where? Right in the middle in a little rectangle. And then we wrote the four things that we know about Christmas trees or the details in our four boxes on our four square. Well, guess what? I have a new mystery for you today, and we're going to again practice using that four square. First, let me get my mystery bag and you see if you can figure out what clues describe the item that I'm talking about. Guess what the first clue is? Here's my bag. I wonder what you're thinking. I wonder what's in here. The first clue for my mystery item is it is brown. It is brown. The second clue. I have a map of the world here. I have a map of the whole world, just like you learned about. This item that I'm describing can be found way up in the Arctic, way up north in the Arctic tundra. I bet you have an idea in your brain. The third clue that I have is that this particular item uses its hooves to dig through the snow and find its food. Its favorite food is called lichen, and it is found under the snow. It's like a mossy substance. I bet you really think you know, but let me see if you knew that this particular item that I'm describing is a good swimmer. This item that I'm describing is a good swimmer. Drum roll. What do you think it is? If you said a reindeer, you are correct. Did you know that reindeers also have noses that are almost heated? It's almost like they have little electric heaters in there so that they never breathe in cold air. That's why they can live in this very, very cold setting. Oh, maybe that's why I'm in a blizzard today. The reindeer sent this blizzard to me. Okay, boys and girls, we are ready to practice our topic sentence and our four details that we learned today. Do you know what the topic sentence should say? If you said, I know all about reindeer, you are right. Now, to organize our thoughts, we're going to use that four square paper. So you will need a piece of paper and you will have to fold it, remember, into four parts. So go ahead and pause my video and do that if you don't have a paper there that you can do and fold quickly. Okay, now I'm going to write my topic sentence right in the middle. So you should have a rectangle in the middle of your paper. And I am going to write, I know all about, because that's always a great way to start our writings. And we'll learn more ways and more creative ways as the year goes on. I know all about reindeer. And we do know four things for sure about reindeer. And I know a lot more than that after you watch some of our videos. Okay, so I know all about reindeer. You should have that sentence right in the center of your box. There it is. I know all about reindeer. Okay, now in the first box, what are we going to put? What color are they? Let's write the word brown and number that box number 1. Brown is BR. That's a consonant blend. We underline each one of those letters. It's different than a digraph because I hear two sounds instead of one sound. BROW because that makes ow, and then our N. So the first clue was that they are brown. The second clue was that they live in the Arctic tundra. Now we're going to capitalize those two words because it's the name of the place that they live. So I'm going to put arc, A-R-C, tick, T-I-C, Arctic, and then tundra starts with a T, U-N, dra, D-R-A. Did you see how I stretched that out? Dra. I heard that D-R sound. So they live in the Arctic tundra. Can you see that? Let me move it over. Oops. There you go. Okay. Do you remember the third clue? The third clue was that they eat lichen. Lichen or lichen? What do you think? It's lichen, but it looks like lichen. Watch how I write this word. L-I, and it has a digraph, even though it sounds like a K. So this is one of those tricky words, and I'm not going to underline that digraph. Okay, I'm just going to leave it go. Lichen. Lichen. I know all about reindeer. They are brown, they live in the Arctic tundra, and they eat lichen. It's their favorite food. We're missing the last clue. And this might be what surprised you about reindeers. They are good at swimming. So I'm just going to write the word swimmer because they are good swimmers. Okay? You can write swimming too. S-W-I-M-I-N-G. Okay, they are good swimmers. All right, now I have my Foursquare all done, and you are all done. Give yourself a chilly shake because we learned all about reindeer today. But not only reindeer, but how to organize our thoughts in that Foursquare that we made with the rectangle in the middle. And do you remember what the most important part of a Foursquare is? The most important part is the topic sentence, and we put that right in the center. And it tells what we know all about. I know all about reindeer. Great job, boys and girls. Tomorrow, we are going to do another Foursquare, but you'll be surprised. You'll see tomorrow. Have a great blizzardy kind of day. Bye. So cold in here. I can't find the stop. Help! 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 Somebody help me. Oh my goodness, I can't stop. Oh, help me, help me. Oh, there it is. Bye.